This sacrifice was dropped in front of a person's gate, and the person that saw it was first of all scared because he didn't know the intention or the reason why somebody is going to drop something like this in front of his house. So the thing here is that we've been taught to fear these kinds of things, to fear sacrifices that are basically in a basket without knowing if the intention surrounding it is either good or bad. Now, the Igbo reasoning or the Igbo logic of performing sacrifices is because we believe that sacrifices are ways through which we talk to the universe, through which we communicate or move the universe into favoring us. Now, this is one of the reasons why we perform sacrifices in Igbo spirituality and cosmology. But then, it is not enough for somebody to carry his or her sacrifices and dump it in front of another person's house, because in as much as you're trying to move the universe, there are still another